Hey guys, Steve Welch here, Beam and Toyota in Nashville. Had a couple questions on this. Figured I'd go ahead and show you guys. So, question was how to reset your maintenance warning light on a Rav4. So, it is extremely easy to do. Be a very quick video. Going to show you how to do it. So, first off, you're going to look at your center screen, which is right there, and this right here is how you navigate. All right. So, if you start hitting over, so I'm hitting to the right here, you can see you start going through menus. Once you get to where you had that gear, so I'll pop back, you'll see that gear that's right there. Once you see that, you're going to be on this menu right here. Scroll down. As you scroll down, you're going to get to vehicle settings. I'm scrolling with this button and up and down here. Once you get to vehicle settings, you're going to press this OK button, and then you're going to see that your TPWS, that's your tire pressure warning system. You can set your pressure, change the wheels right there. Very easy to do that. You can turn on your rear seat reminder, so if the back door has been opened, it will remind you to check the rear seat. And then boom, here's your schedule maintenance. So pressing here again, do you want to reset your data? Then you hit yes to reset your data. Your reset is complete. It will shut off that triangle, which looks like that right there, but it'll have been and actually I can show you what that would look like. So if I shut this car off, it's going to say that it's not ready to drive here in a second. As soon as I turn it back on, you'll see you'll get this not ready to drive, right? And you see how that looks orange. So what it'll do is it'll look like that, and it'll tell you as soon as you go over to that, it will tell you that your maintenance is needed. So that's how you know that your maintenance is needed. And like I said, real fast, showing you again how to shut it off. You can actually go up from this point and get to the settings pretty quick, or you can have gone down to them, press and hold. Then you scroll down to your schedule maintenance just like that. Reset data. Yes, reset data, reset complete. That would shut off that light. It would shut off the maintenance reminder. Very easy way to do it. Shutting off your maintenance reminder. This is going to be on a 2019 and newer Toyota Rav4 with the small screen in there. It will work very similar with the large screen. It will just look a little bit different, but wanted to show you guys that. Definitely like, subscribe. Steve Welch, Beam and Toyota, downtown Nashville. You guys have a great day. Appreciate every one of you guys. Let me know if you guys have any questions. I'm always happy to help. Take care, guys. Talk to you soon. Bye.